What's up? It's your guy Naujoxx and welcome to my channel where I show you how to take the craziest pictures ever. Today I will show you 5 simple and easy steps that you need to get the perfect outfit picture. Let's get right into it. Before every shooting, I'm picking my outfits for the day. And I have worked with plenty of other bloggers who did not do that, and they always have to combine their outfits spontaneously. The big advantage that you get when picking outfits before the shooting is that you do not need to focus on that anymore. So you can focus a lot more on other important aspects that you need for the perfect shot. Also, when combining outfits before, you only take clothes with you that you actually need. When walking from spot to spot, you do not want to have the heaviest bag, and especially you do not want to carry clothes that you do not need at that day. What helps me the most is to write my outfit ideas down into my phone notes. That way I do not need to memorize all 5 to 8 outfits and I can check them whenever I want to. With that, you do not need to spend time during the shooting to combine outfits spontaneously. That's by far the most important tip that I can give you. Find locations that match to your outfits or outfits that match to the locations. Your pictures will look 10 times cooler if your outfit and the background really looks great together. Hereby, you could either choose a dark background to a dark outfit or a brighter background to a dark outfit. And when it comes to colors, I always try to find colors in the background that also are colors within my outfit. So if you have an orange pants, it will always look great to have something orange in the background as well. That way, your picture will look a lot cleaner and well thought. Another important thing here is that your style matches to the location. So if you are into street style, for example, shooting in the nature can be very tough, as street style has a more urban vibe. Whereas if you're more into casual styles, a nature environment can look just perfect. So try out everything and see what works for your style and what doesn't. That is probably the most underrated step at shootings, but it can save you so much time. Before you give the camera to your photographer, you should always frame the shot yourself and check what angles you like the most. Everyone has another perspective on things and the photographer will rarely take the perfect shot immediately. So frame the shot first, show your photographer how and why you like it, and he or she will take the picture exactly how you wanted it. If you're shooting with the same person over and over again, he or she will soon get your point of view and will take the pictures just how you like them based on the feedback that you gave him. Now, as you have a crazy outfit, the matching location, and the perfect frame, you just need a person to take the picture. This can either be a person, like a photographer, or a tripod. If it's a person, that's easy. But if you have nobody to shoot with, a tripod with a camera or an iPhone on it does a similar job. You can either take pictures with a self-timer, or when shooting with a camera, you might be able to control the trigger with your phone. With a Sony a7 II, that's my camera, I'm able to shoot by myself with a tripod and my phone to take the pictures. So I really do not need anyone to take the perfect outfit pictures. Though it is obviously a lot more fun with someone. Last but not least, before actually taking the picture, you should first set up your camera or phone to the given lighting and environment and then do your posings. I have done a posing tip tutorial already, but what is very important here is that you can change the whole vibe of the picture with a good posing. So move around, try out some poses that you have never done yet to get new impressions in your outfit pictures. That way, they will always look unique and different and will never get boring. Especially moving posings work well because the pictures do not look static and frozen, but very dynamic and active. But you can check out my posing tip video if that's something you're interested in. Alright guys. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope that I could help with those tips so that you can now create the craziest outfit pictures yourself. If you want a feedback from me, feel free to send me your results to my Instagram account. Also, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel to see more fashion and photography content. See you in the next videos. Over and...